Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to get the previous history on Python idle. So here I'll give one command. Let's say print hello world. Okay. So it will print hello world. But if I want to get again that command, there is no up arrow or down arrow is working. So how to set the previous history to a up arrow and next history to the down arrow we'll see now. So let's go to options, configure idle. So here go to keys, okay. Then go to history previous, okay. History previous, right, okay. And get new keys for the selection. So here go to up arrow, right. Then click on OK. Then it will ask for the custom key set name. Then you can say that something like history keys or something, okay. Any name you can give here. So it will take the custom key set name here, this history keys, okay. Then it is set to key up. Similarly, history next also will set to down arrow, okay guys, down arrow, okay. So history next is set to key down and history previous is set to key up. Then click on apply and close it, okay. Now press the up arrow, then we'll get the previous command, okay. So down arrow also will get the next command, okay guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.